What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and the OnePlus is coming up with its new product, which is the OnePlus Pad Go in the Flipkart Big Billion Day sale and Amazon Great Indian Festival sale just around that time. Now the launch date of the OnePlus Pad is said to be launching on 6th of October, and the OnePlus Pad Go page is also live on the official OnePlus website. So let's find out what are the best features of this tablet and why you should think about this tablet if you're planning to buy a tablet at the budget price. Now, talking about its specification, the new OnePlus Pad will be coming with a 11.6 inch of a 2.4K LCD display, and it also supports 120Hz of high refresh rate. Now, the PPI is on the lower end at the 296 PPI, but the processor in this tablet is a decent one at MediaTek Helio G99 SoC. Now, the tablet will be running out of the box based on Android 13 and Oxygen OS. The front camera of this tablet is of 8 megapixel alongside with a single rear camera of 8 megapixel. Now the design language of the OnePlus Pad Go is indeed similar towards the OnePlus Pad which was launched earlier this year, which we have also covered. Now this tablet will also be coming with a Dolby Atmos support. Now the Dolby Atmos support is indeed a quad stereo speaker setup you won't be getting on this tab, although the Dolby Vision is going to be decent enough. But if we talk about the battery, then it will be coming with a 8000 milliamp battery, and a 67 watts of fast charging support will be included in the box itself. Now the charging of this tablet is going to be a charging port is going to be a Type-C, but it will be only supporting up to max of up to Type-C port of 2.0 generation. Now it's not a bad after all. The iPhone 15 series also have a 2.0 Type-C port. So considering the price of this tablet, tablet is expected to be launching at a price of 20 to 25,000 rupees in the Indian market. Now what do you think about this tablet? If you like this video, do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.